Apparently it's January, freezing cold. It's negative 27 today. Kind of tell by the crunchy snow there. So figured I would give you guys a little bit of a tour here that we got on the premises before it turns nighttime there. You know, just to look at some of the projects that we're going to be having up on the channel in the next little bit. We're going to be putting a 6.9 diesel inside this old 80, I believe it's an 84. It's going to be a 6.9 and it has a C6 transmission inside it. Very nice, two-wheel drive Lariat. We got the old 85 F250 6.9 diesel, T19 4-speed, MP208 transfer case, 10.5 Sterling in the back, locked on 36 by 9-inch military tires. It's a good, solid truck, does a lot of jobs. Still got the chains on her. 1966 Chrysler Town and Country station wagon converted into an ambulance. Originally it was on Potato Island there, Prince Edward Island. It was used on McLean's ambulance service. They also ran the funeral back in the day. You guys will see a lot of this car in the summertime, not much right now. It has a 383 Chrysler big block inside it and a 3-speed automatic. It's a good cruiser. Sirens, lights, horn all work. It's a good, solid car. But you guys will see more of that in videos to come. Not so much in the winter. 2003 F-150 four-door, 5.4 Triton automatic, four-wheel drive. Has the fiberglass box on it. You guys won't see much of this truck most likely, but you never know. 1986 F-150 302 C6 automatic, four-wheel drive, rough country lift kit, 33 by 12.5-inch mud train tires, worn chrome-plated winch bumper, basically all the chrome you can get for this truck. Nice interior, fancy grille, etc., etc. Actually my brother's truck, but most likely you guys will see a 302 go into this truck at some point. We pulled the engine out of it last year and just never got around to putting it back in. But once this gets an engine, you should see it a lot more on the channel. It's a nice truck, good driver. We have our 85 K1500 four-wheel drive. That's why it's the K, but MP 435 4-speed transmission with an MP205 transfer case, lifted suspension lift, lifted body lift. It's going to be a nice truck. You're going to see this very soon, basically when it starts to warm up. Here we have a 1993 F-150 302 C6 automatic, two-wheel drive, built up to be kind of a race truck there. Just needs some performance enhancing mods, but she's a nice, good old truck. Fiberglass topper, nice roll pan at the back with a bumper delete, fiberglass running boards, fiberglass cowl induction hood, which does work. Nice little chin spoiler on the bottom. Definitely something you guys want to keep your eye out for. It's a nice truck. Now you guys already know this truck. This is my 96 F-150, 460 big block swapped, T19 4-speed, two-wheel drive, yada yada yada, short bed, long bed to short bed conversion. You know, all the fixings on it right now. You're going to see a lot of this truck in the future. Pretty much with the growth of the channel, it's going to keep changing as we go. But that's in its current form. Again, the shop's not heated, so it's just as cold as it is inside the shop as it is outside the shop. So negative 27, I'm not in here. 1985 RX-7. This one used to be rotary, but now it is a 302 with a 5-speed stick, manual T5, world-class transmission. As you can see, it's a 302 HO of an 86 Mustang. So it runs the HO firing order, all the fixings. You guys are definitely going to see more of this car on the channel going forward. Right now, we can't really give it its dues. It's too cold. It's going to be pretty much late spring, early summer that you'll start to see some of this car. Now that's just scratching the surface of the vehicles we're going to have on this channel. We have a whole separate property with 5-6 more vehicles. Classics include a 1950s Ford, 1979 Trans Am, El Camino, David Brown tractors, New Holland tractors. We're all set. There's only so much time in a day, but we're going to start off with what we got here, and you're going to see some more stuff sprinkled out as we go along. I hope you found one that you're interested in. There's going to be a build series on most of these cars. If not, there's going to be a one-off, but each one's going to be featured in their own way. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.